Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a PR package that I received from Rosalind. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So this is a different box that I have been receiving from Rosalind. This is a lighter and bigger box. It's their 10-piece glow-in-the-dark set of 6 milliliter bottles. And again, here are the ingredients. They are 7-free formula, which does not include parabens, gluten, formaldehyde resin, DBP, toluene, and camphor. There's also a cautionary tale as well as manufacturing information, and we always have our animal cruelty-free and 24 months from opening these products till expiration. I'm just going to take my scissors and remove the plastic film. So I just wanted to let you know, you guys, in the description box below, I do have the link to this 10-piece glow-in-the-dark kit, as well as my discount code that will last till the end of, well, December 30th. So if you want to go check that out. But let's open this box here. So I really already love this box, actually better than the other boxes. It's all like formal and stuff and very brandy like. So I'm actually going to keep this box, as I always do, so that I can store these products when I'm not using them. And wow, look at the packaging. It's so pretty. Night and day between the other two kits that I've received. Again, you get this Rosalind card. It explains what UV gel is. Open it up and you'll end up seeing the instructions on how to use this product, how to remove the product, as well as some DIY nail art suggestions, and on the back some typical questions that you wouldn't think to ask, but they are there if you do have these questions. Okay, so these are 10 pieces. Their bottles are super perfect and beautiful. I'm loving the packaging on this. I wish all their bottles can be like this. It's like a pearlized white. And on top here, I thought that the middle circle is green, a green color. It's the outer ring. So this is going to be like a pinky color. Very nice. And I can already see that this is going to be kind of like a translucent pigmentation in this kit. So as far as the glow-in-the-dark goes, we'll have to see if that plays a role in how glow-in-the-darkish you're gonna get. If the gel is a little transparent, or if it's just fine, you just have to put a layer of that stuff on there. But we will see all that in the part 2 video. This part 1 video is mainly just the unboxing. Look at that beautiful blue. I'm sensing that these are like pastels. So as I've been doing with all my PR packages, I'm going to be using everything they've given me in a set. I've got 10 colors to work with, you guys, and I already have an idea in mind. I want to do some sort of winter theme. So, but to juggle that with 10 different colors, oh wow, look, this is like a pastel-y, pink purple kind of, maybe lavender, but pastelish. Their colors are just so sweet right now. I just opened up 3 bottles and it's giving me Easter vibes. So it's going to be a little tough for me to mix all 10 colors into one design and make it look wintry. So we'll see what happens. This is like a white creamy color. Yeah, these polishes are really transparent. So I can see myself maybe doing some detail work with these colors. Not so much using them for full coverage, because it would take layers I can already see it's going to take layers to get it to a solid color. And they're so light that I don't think I would want them to be a solid color unless I was doing, like, let's say an Easter design. But I guess when that comes up next year, maybe I'll use these, you guys, and do like a reverse glow in the dark design. I'm gonna have to write that down or remember it. Someone remind me, I'm going to forget. But I'm just gonna have to write that down. I think that'll be cute to do like a reverse glow in the dark. And if you don't know what a reverse glow in the dark is, it's usually like you draw the design with the glow in the dark paint, but a reverse is more like the silhouette is the glow in the dark. So yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna have to remember that. Oh, this is another blue. It's less bright blue. It's more like a periwinkle or something like that. Yeah, I'm loving these colors. They're just too sweet. So, you know, I'm thinking candy, like Winter Wonderland, Candyland, but I don't know how that's all gonna work because I actually do have a winter theme in mind, and I just don't know how it's gonna fit with all these colors, but they are just so cute, these colors. And of course I'll be able to just mention the numbers, because I think on their website you can buy these separately. I'll just have to mention and write in the description the colors that I end up using in the part 2 video. Oh, look at this, is a green. I love the greens. It's so pastel-y. I love pastel colors. Not all year round, but I love them. And I haven't seen pastel colors since maybe my candy night at the Improv nails. So it's been quite a while since I've seen some pastels. Oh my gosh, look, it's a little yellow. It's a chick yellow in pastel. So soft and pretty. I love, love, love these colors. Okay, one more. And you can see the color a little bit through that window, but you know what? I just don't, it's too small of a window and I'm blind. Okay, this is like another orange or an orange yellow. It looks like a yellow to me. Well, there you have it, you guys. These are the 10-piece glow-in-the-dark Rosalind kit colors. Go check out the product linked in the description box below. I have a 10% discount, and that is in the description box below as well. Join me again for part 2 in this video series, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.